my Honda Dio 110, and I'm going to show you where the fuse box is in a second. I'm going to be fixing it. Sometimes when your scooter is not starting, that's because the fuse may have been blown or the battery is dead. If you wish to know where the air filter is, that is where the air filter is, just right here where you open the screws and you can change the filter. To open the front bonnet, you need to unscrew the two screws there and pop a plastic screw which is just right underneath there to get it out. This is the plastic screw that you need to push out. There's a little lever here. You just gonna push that in, push it out, and then that will make this smaller, and then you can pull it out. It's a bit tricky, but you get it. It's not that hard. So this is it. This is the thing. Okay, so the battery is basically that one. If it's dead, you just gotta remove it. But if it's not, then what happened was I accidentally charged the terminal incorrectly, and that I think blew the fuse. And I'm just going to the fuse box. This is the fuse box next to it, and you just open it with just pressing this part here and pull it out. That should open it. Now I'm going to check which fuse is actually blown. The two spare ones on the side, and these are all the other fuses. Let's try to pick this up. Okay, trying a different tool now. Let's try the 20 amp first. Oh. Okay. If you look at the if you look at this here, it's there's a bit of a black spot there. That means it's blown. So that fuse needs to be changed, and there's a spare one just right there. So all we do is just change that and chuck this away and probably get another spare one. Right. Okay, now let's see if the engine starts. Okay, I'm going to see if that works. Oh, let's see. Oh, nope. When you encounter a flat battery or weak battery, one good way is to obviously open it and charge the battery using either a separate good battery or a car that is running. So we're gonna try this. Make sure the positive is at the positive. Negative. Positive. Negative. Okay, let's see. Yeah, there you go. It's all started.